Hello YouTube viewers and subscribers. There it is. It does work. Does have a chance. Then there they are. Oh, you're so cute. And she is. Okay, let's go and show you. I did tell you that it is raining. I did tell you that I did everything with the machete, and I did do everything with the machete. See, I wish I'd be going through that shit, even a dirt bike or four-wheeler or something. That's only get a 400. My car right there. It's only get a Chevy 400 small block, around 500 to 600 horses. So, yep. No power outers like turbos or anything. Maybe a turbo. I love turbos. But shotgun shell. That's what it looks like now. And no, it's not snowing. It's just raining. And then to show you. It did cut and everything. So honestly, I'm using that chainsaw for that on because I didn't notice how much it was till now. And there's that tree I chopped down. It is raining, you can hear it. It's not snowing. It goes from right, I don't say, honestly, it comes right here, the very tip where all the branches are, to way back there where that stump is. And everything. That tree cannot get cut, it has bullets in it. That tree's gonna get cut, that tree's gonna get cut, that tree, that, like a whole shitload. So, we're gonna do that pretty much for everything, and this is what it looks like. Christmas Day, maybe bonfire, and then we're out in the country, so but that's what it looks like. It's way more open. Now it's just gonna be a tree and we're gonna shoot at it and do stuff. So, and there, see, that's where I seen shotgun shell. See if they want to be on camera. Where are they at? Yep, there they are. They're right there. And everything. So, no, the contest is still going on. And like I said, you do not have to at all subscribe at all. You don't have to. No, it does not increase or decrease if you do, but you must like and comment something, nothing rude or anything or racist, but you must comment so I know you did it. And I'll pick all the names from there. And I'm not going to tell you when the contest is going to end, because I don't want you to wait till the last minute. But it could end tomorrow, or it could end sometime. So, and if someone does bring me 5 new subscribers that do subscribe, and they subscribe and keep on the describe, that'd be awesome if you get the hint. But God bless. Please like, subscribe, comment on my video, tell other people about it. God bless.